In this tutorial, we'll learn how to save a Microsoft Word document as a PDF without needing Adobe Acrobat. It's a simple process built directly into Microsoft Word. Step 1 is to open your Word document. Navigate to the Word document that you wish to convert to a PDF and open it in Microsoft Word. Step 2 is to go to the File menu. Click on the File tab located at the top left corner of the Word window. In Step 3, you'll select Save As. This option is in the File menu. For Step 4, choose the location to save your file. This can be a folder on your computer, OneDrive, or another location. Step 5 involves selecting the PDF format. Click the Save as Type drop-down menu and choose PDF. Step 6 is optional. Check Options if needed. You can click the Options button to modify settings like the page range or whether to include markup. Finally, save your document. Click the Save button after configuring your settings, and Word will convert and save your document as a PDF. That's it. You've saved your Word document as a PDF without needing Adobe Acrobat. This feature is available in versions of Microsoft Word from 2007 onward, making it easy to convert documents to PDFs directly.